Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I will be sharing how I created this 3D box using the new Cowboy boot mini album together with the box making strips. These are new in my stash and they have already come in so much handy when I was going to create these types of boxes. So I really enjoy them and I hope you will enjoy it as well. You can see I cut two of these strips, just going around and bending all of those tags, and then I'm putting some liquid adhesive and then I'm starting to fold. This wasn't the easiest because it's not an easy shape, I would say, to do this with, but it turned out okay. You might need to practice this once or twice before getting it perfect. You will see here I will actually hold this in place in a second and then take some more adhesive and go around the next curve here and just looking so I really have it in the perfect spot. The first one is the hardest one, the second one will go so much easier, and when I was done with it I cut off the rest of it. Then I could go back here and put some more adhesive, sorry about the glare with the bag on the side there, and then I can press another of these shoes on top of it. So this is the stitched layer. There is actually 3 layers for this one. So this is the stitched one. You can see I'm going around doing this really carefully so I have the perfect shape for this boot and making sure that I have one side perfect, and then I will go back, do the other one. So this was actually a little bit of a time-consuming thing, but when I had it in the right spot I thought it was just beautiful. Then I took the Live Happy Life or something like that. It's a paper collection that I had in my stash for quite some time. I cut a bunch of these out, and since I wanted it for both of the sides, the same patterns, I flipped the paper when I run it through my machine just to make sure that I had the pretty side up. So you can see, and it also was reversed, mirrored here. So we have our boot. This is the reversed side, and then we can flip it over and then we can do the pretty side on this one. You can see the striped paper here is so adorable. I just love how that turned out. I also have this star pattern. I thought it would be nice for this boot type of thingy. And then we had some foam tape on top of this. Look how cute that turned out. And I wanted actually some flowers for this one, so I took the desert rose and I will be using a tool here just to create some dimension. And when I was happy with the first layer I will do a second one, and you can see I'm working from the opposite side and then turning my paper to the other side and then pointing to the middle section. I'm doing that for all of the ones except the one in the middle, because then I'm doing just one, so it sort of curls up. And you can see I'm just holding everything with liquid glue, and then it was done. So I created a couple of flowers and I have my stems here for my flowers, and I will arrange them around, and you can see how pretty that is. You can see to the side I also cut some teal flower leaves, and these are from the flower set. I have been obsessed with these and I love the shape of these leaves. They are also from Diva. So you can see how cute this is turning out. I just love it. So flower boots, so cute. And I thought I was going to have that little darker paper, but I decided against it. So I actually decided that I needed, you can see here how it looks when it was all finished. I need to decorate the other sides of this. So I cut some pieces of the same pattern paper to the right size for the front of the boot. You can see here how cute that is turning out. Also taking some more liquid glue to the inside of the boot there just to really keep it together. And then I took a die from the 3D double self-closing gift box and just run it through the upper part of this piece of cardstock, so I get like a beginning for the shoe that was really pretty. Hope that makes sense. I will do the same thing for the back of my shoe. So I will have some more of that pattern paper going over the back of my shoe. And then I will have that beautiful edge. You can see how the paper looks. Run it through, and we will have that same beautiful edge to that shoe. I just loved it. And you cannot see the down part. If you like to, you could also have some more paper underneath, but you will not see it when it stands up. I also wanted a bow, so I used the rainbow gift bag, I believe it's called. It's also from Scrap Diva. It was released a year ago, and it's just this most beautiful little bow inside of that set, and I decided to go ahead and use that in the same pattern papers as I used for the rest of the shoe here, or cowboy boot maybe I should say. And yeah, for the center part here you can have a brad, and I decided against this pink one. I will actually take one that is gold later on. And I think that sort of brings this together, this project together. And I will have this on top of this double stitch fishtail set. I will also create some butterflies in vellum. I just love this. I have been creating these like a crazy person. I have been having them all different types of projects. These butterflies are just gorgeous. You can run them through with pattern paper, solid cardstock, or like this with vellum. I have been really enjoying creating these, and I created a couple of them for today's project as well. So you can see how cute that is. You can make them larger or smaller. This was actually the smallest size. And I also cut out a sentiment with Cowboy words set, and it's gonna say let's go. I just thought it was fitting since this is a shoe. But I don't know, I guess you can use it in some other ways as well, but I just thought it was cute. So I will have my little bow at the top with some foam, and then I can attach my sentiment. You can see here, I'm just a little bit off camera, I'm sorry about that, but I will have my sentiment at the front. I was actually thinking of having it in the back, but then I changed my mind. I will have let's go on the front. Or on the back, it could be cute as well, but I decided against it. You can have another message there if you like. So some more foam for the back of my fishtail here. And I'm just pressing that down. You can see that looks really nice. And then I will have a large butterfly. You can write a message on the other side. So I left that quite empty. And we can scatter our butterflies around our project. I think this turned out so cute. I hope you really enjoyed this video and got inspired and look at your dies in a new way. Maybe you can create a 3D project using some of your regular dies. Just look at them and see what you can come up with. I think this actually also is a nice size for a gift box. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will have all the products listed down below for you if you like to use those links. And I also have a coupon code that gives you 10% off all your purchase. So I hope you will use that one as well. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Bye!